Want to sell your home faster and leave a lasting impression on potential buyers? Get ready to take your open house to the next level with these simple staging tips. Hi, I'm Scott Leggett with Blue Coast Realty, and today we'll be discussing how to stage your home for an open house that leaves a lasting impression. Step 1 is to declutter your home. Decluttering is the first and most important step in staging your home. Start by removing items that aren't essential to the space. This will not only make your home look larger and more open, but it'll also help remove any distractions from potential buyers. Step 2 is to do a deep clean. Dirt is a no-go. A spotless home is much more appealing to buyers. Vacuum, mop, wipe surfaces, windows, and mirrors. Make sure that every surface is free of dust and grime. Step 3 is to rearrange for functionality. Move furniture away from walls to create a conversation area and make your home feel more warm and inviting. Step 4 is to slap on a fresh coat of paint. Choose neutral colors that give your home an updated, clean, and cohesive feel. Step 5 is to add personal touches. Accessorize with fresh flowers, scented candles, and decorative accents, but remove any distracting personal items. Step 6 is to create a cozy atmosphere. Adjust lighting, open blinds, and set a comfortable temperature to make your home feel cozy and welcoming. Step 7 is to consider hiring a professional. A professional stager can help you create a cohesive and appealing look that attracts potential buyers. Follow these simple steps to stage your home for an open house and leave a lasting impression on potential buyers. And welcome home to the Blue Coast.